In this video, let us see how to build a Python package and publish it to the PyPI and install it using the pip command. As you can see, I have published a Python package and you can install this package using this pip command here. So let us see how to publish it to the PyPI. So let's get started. First of all, we will have to install the necessary libraries. Open your command prompt and type the following commands: pip install setup tools, wheel, and we also need the twine. So just give you a few seconds, it will install all the libraries for you. As you can see, it says requirement already satisfied. So let me minimize this. So this is the first step. So the second step is you need to follow the proper folder structure. In the left hand side, you can see the folder structure. So I have a folder called the programming with Kumaresan. You can see here. So this I have another folder with the same names. So this is the Python package that we will publish it to the PyPI. So in that I have two files, the main Python file and the init file. In the main file, I have two functions. Basically, this function will just take the subtitle file as an input and translate the subtitle file to some other language. And in the init file, I just import the subtrans function. So this function, I will just import it in the init. So we need this init file because then only the Python recognize this as a package. Otherwise, Python treats this as a folder. If you don't know about the Python package, I will provide the link in the description. You can learn more about it. In simple terms, you will have to create a init file so that the Python treats this folder as a package rather than as a simple folder. So I have these two folders, main file and the init file. In the init file, I just import the function. Then finally, I have the README file. So after you follow this folder structure, so I will show you in the file explorer. So I have a README file, and inside this programming with Kumaresan package, I have two folders. So this is the package that we will publish it to the PyPI, the main file and the init file. So this is the second step. After you follow the proper folder structure, then we need to create a new Python file, that is the setup. So let me create a new file. The name of this file will be setup.py. Here we will define all the metadata about our Python package. Say like the version number, what are the dependencies we need. So let's get started. So we will import the install libraries here. So from setup tools, put the setup, and we will also import the twine packages. Then we will call the setup function. Inside this, we will pass certain parameters. The first parameter is the name of our package. Make sure you search it to the Google. No one has already taken your name, so let's give it a name, sub-translator. So let me search this in Google to see if anyone taken this name. As you can see, we don't have the sub-translator file, so let me go ahead with this name. After you choose the name, then we will define the version. So the version for the starting, we will stick to 0.001. So this is our starting version. After you add a new feature, you can increase this version. For now, let me stick it to the 0.01. Then we will call the find packages. In your project file, if you have any dependencies, like you will have to mention that here in the list. So if you open my Python file, you can see that I have two dependencies. I have the Py subtitle and the translate. So I will provide that here, Py subtitle and also the translate. So this is this basic setup file. After we have configured the setup file, it's time to build our package. So let's open our command prompt. So let me minimize all the files. So let's open the command prompt in the root folder. If I use the dir, consider all the files. So this is my root folder. In the root folder, just type the following command to build your distribution. The name of the file that we have created now is the setup.py. So just type this command. Yes, we will build the source distribution. We will also build the binary distribution. So we will have to create two distributions, the source distribution and the binary distribution. So let's press enter. As you can see, it starts creating the distribution file. So just give you a few seconds. As you can see, it has been built the distribution. So if you open the dist folder, so this is the file that we'll publish to the PyPI. Now we have cover all the three steps. Before we publish to the PyPI, so let's test this file locally. For this, so just copy the name of this file and we will install it locally. For this, just type pip install. So this is inside in this folder and the name of this file. So I have copied that and pasted it here. So we will do this to ensure that the package works properly before we publish to the PyPI. So let's press enter. As you can see, it says successfully install subs translator. So let me create a new Python file and show you the demo. So inside this folder, I'm going to, so let me create a file in this folder. So let's try to import this function in the main file. So from programming it to Kumaresan. So this is the name of the package that we have defined. Here in the folder you can see. So this is the package name. So from the package we're going to import the substance. So if you press enter and run this file now, programming we have written Z. So let's press enter. As you can see, the file has been executed successfully. That means we don't have any error. So if you want to translate the subtitle, you can just force the name of the input file and then the source language and then this destination language, and then you can give me the name for the output. So I will skip this and show you how to publish this package that we have been now in the PyPI. So let me minimize this and open the browser. So in the browser, just type PyPI. So go ahead to this website, and so the PyPI dashboard will look like this. So I already have the account, so I will click on login. If you don't have that one, just register your account. So I will log in using my credentials. So after you log in, we need to generate the API token. For this, just go to the profile and click on account settings. So in the account settings, you have the option of adding a new API. If you scroll down, you can see the option of API tokens. Click on add new API token. Give your name for your token. In this case, I'm going to give a name package. The scope is entire account. So just create the token. So we will need this token to publish our package to this PyPI. Don't reveal this token to anyone, otherwise your PyPI account will be compromised. So I will delete this token after this project. Then we will have to set the environment variable. For this, open your command prompt and type set twine username. If you are using the Windows, use the command set. If you are using the Linux, use the use the export. So the username will be __ token __. Then we need to define the API token that we have generated. So twine password. We will use this twine library to upload our package from our local repository to the PyPI. So this is our API token that we have copied. So press enter. Now we have defined the two environment variables, the username and the password. It's time to publish our package. For this, just type the command twine -m twine upload. We're going to upload all the files inside this distribution folder. For this, we will use the asterisk sign. So let's press enter. As you can see, it starts uploading. So we have got here URL. So let me copy that URL and paste it in the browser to see the package. As you can see, we have successfully deployed the package at the PyPI. So if you copy this command, so open your command prompt. So just paste the command to install the package. As you can see, it says requirement already satisfied. So this is how you build a Python package and publish it to the PyPI. But the problem is I have a README file in the project folder. You can see that I have a README file, but the README file is not displayed properly. To fix that, just go to the setup.py. So let me import that file. So with open README.md. So I'm going to open that folder as file and description equal to file.read. So I'm going to read all the README file contents. So this is my README file contents. So I'm going to save that in the description. So in the setup function, I'm going to add description, long description equal to description. Our long description content type will be text. This will be text of Markdown. So let me save this and also increase the version from 0.001 to 0.02. So let me save this and open the command prompt again. Now let's build the distribution again. So let me type the command again. So this is the command to build the distribution. Let's press enter. So let me again upload the newly built distribution to the twine. So this is the command to upload the newly built distribution to the PyPI. As you can see, we will upload this 0.02 to this. So let me copy the latest version and paste it in the browser. As you can see, now the README file has been displayed properly. You can see that of all the contents displayed properly. So this is how you build a Python package and publish it to the PyPI.